Hey, Little John's Yarn here. Today, we're going to be breaking down 11 crochet mistakes that trip up beginners and even the pros, plus how to fix them so your projects come out perfect. Let's start off with number 1, inconsistent tension. Your stitches are all over the place, one super tight and the other's way too loose. How to correct it. Practice holding your yarn nice and even, like it's gliding through your fingers, or try a tension ring. Check out my DIY tension ring video right here. Next up, skipping and adding stitches. Your blanket is turned into a hot mess, shrinking and growing out of nowhere. Here's the save. Count every stitch in every row. Use a stitch marker every 20 to 25 stitches to keep everything on track. Number 3, not keeping track of your row count. You lose your place and your pattern is all out of whack. Here's how to solve it. Use a row counter or tally marks on a piece of paper. Mark each row as you finish to stay on point. Number 4, ignoring gauge. You skip the swatch and your hat either fits like a doll or oversized bag. Here's how to fix it. Make it a gauge swatch. Crochet a 4x4 inch square using the pattern stitch and hook. Then count the stitches and rows in 2 or 4 inch sections with a measuring tape. Match it to the pattern's gauge and swap the hook as needed. Number 5, not weaving in your ends correctly. Your work's unraveling like it has no loyalty to you. Lock those ends down by using a tapestry needle to weave those ends through 4 inches of stitches, doubling back to make sure it's solidly covered or crocheting over it as you go. Number 6, wrong hook size for the yarn. Your work's either too stiff like a cardboard or super floppy. Here's how to adjust it. Check the yarn label or what the pattern recommends and tweak it for the right feel. Today's sponsor is brought to you by me. If you're passionate about crochet and you want to turn your skill into a side hustle or even a full-time gig, you're going to check out my Crochet Influencer Academy. My online course teaches you how to create stunning projects, build a following, and monetize your craft, all at home. With expert tips and step-by-step guides, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. So you're going to want to check out the link in my description to get started today and keeping this crafty spirit alive. Now, back into this crafty topic. All right, now we're halfway done, and if you're loving these tips, check out my crochet tips, tricks, and hacks video right here for more ways to keep up with your crochet game. All right, that's going to be linked down below. Coming in at number 7 is crocheting into the wrong stitch. You mix up the chain and a single crochet and your patterns are wrong. Get it right by slowing down, making sure your lighting's good, and counting back to the row start to hit the right stitch. Or mark the beginning and ending row of each stitch so you know where to start and finish. Coming in at number 8, mixing up US and UK stitch terms. A US double crochet isn't a UK one, and it'll mess up your pattern and your whole entire day. So check if your pattern is US or UK and grab a conversion chart to keep everything straight. Number 9, not reading the pattern all the way through. You missed something big and your project stalled halfway through. Don't let this happen to you. Read the full pattern first, highlighting tricky stitches or repeats so you'll be ready. Number 10, starting chain is way too tight. Those tiny little loops are almost impossible to work back into. Loosening up, keep that chain relaxed or use a bigger hook so the starting chain will be a little bit bigger and this will make it easier for you. Finally, coming in at number 11, sloppy color changes. These poor color changes can leave loose ends or gaps that ruin the whole design, especially on amigurumi. How to clean it up? Check out my amigurumi color change video. I'll link that below for a smooth technique that keeps your stuff project looking sharp and your colors even. There we go, 11 mistakes fixed. Which one tripped you up the most? Drop it in the comments and I want to hear your stories. For more, check out my crochet tips, tricks, and hacks video right here. And to keep your projects on point, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.